Alright guys, so a quick one. I want to show you how to check your allocation on Bitget. So if you've been farming the cat game and you've been airdropped, so this is how to check it if you use Bitget. So you open your Bitget as usual, then you come to this assets section. After that, you come to spot here, and then your allocation is here. So this is my allocation. For now, there is no price for it, right? So we'll wait till we get the available price for trading. But I want you guys to know something. If you remember dogs, listed around 0.001 or 0.0009, and most of the time, most meme tokens from Telegram lists at that price is 0.009 or 0.001. So we don't know what cat will list at, but if I should just assume, it should be around 0.001 or 0.0009. So I do not really expect much from this airdrop. But if I should calculate my allocation based on 0.001 or 0.0009, so let's head to the calculator while I show you what I mean. So here's my calculator here. 0.0009 times 10,000, I think it's 10,645, 645. So I'll be getting about $9.5 or something. But if it's 0.001 times 10,645, I should be getting around $10. Alright, so anyhow it is. So you people should not expect much from this cat airdrop. Honestly, just have it at the back of your mind that it should be around 0.001 or 0.0009 for this thing. So that's just it. Thank you.